Hello students. So in order with that, we are dealing with the revision part of motion chapter, isn't it? So among that we have three equations, that is the three important equations we have. Among that, let us start. Equations of motion by graphical method. Okay, where we have learnt about this several times, isn't it? Just again revision part of these things, that equations of motion by graphical method. So in among these equations of motions, we know that we have three types, three equations, isn't it? So three types you can take, or three equations antanaru you can take it. So the very first equation we have is V is equals to U plus AT, isn't it? V is equals to U plus AT, we have to prove over that, where that is equation of velocity with time relation. This is with time relation. And secondly we have S is equals to UT plus half AT square, where that is equation of equation of position with time relation. This is equation of velocity, whereas this is equation of position with time relation. And next we have, that is 2AS, that is equals to V square minus U square, that is equals to equation of position with velocity relation. This is with velocity relation. So these are the three equations that we have. So in order, let us deal with the very first equation, that is V is equals to U plus AT, that is equation of velocity time relation. We will learn today in a very easy manner. Okay, the very graphical method is always like this. Okay, you can draw like this only. So in graphical method in the, we are gonna prove that V is equals to U plus AT anta. Okay, let us mark as 0 or O here. So this is A and this is B, this is C, and over this is D. Okay, BC, and here middle we have taken it as B, D. Okay, so from here to here it is final velocity. So let us mark it as V. From here to O to A, this is initial velocity. So let us write it as U. Okay, this is the graphical representation. You can take E as here. So this is V means final velocity, U means initial velocity, and here OC is the time taken. Okay, I hope this is clear with the graphical method. Got it, children? So now let us study or learn. Slope of velocity, that is time graph, that is AB is equals to nothing but acceleration. So this is the AB is the acceleration. So in order, we have to learn slope is equals to rise by run anta tonana. Okay, slope is equals to rise by run. So this is the rise, BD is the rise, okay, and run is AD. Got it, children? Slope is nothing but AB. This is AB is the slope, that is rise, that is BD is the rise, and run. So let us write it as AB is equals to BD divided by AD. Got it? So idu slope, we have just taken it as slope. Rise andre BD, we have written BD, and run is AD, so we have written as AD. So we need to take BC, isn't it? So namge in order we will write it here. So BC, idu BC. Okay, BC is equals to ಏನು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BD plus CD ಇದೆ, isn't it? BC is equals to BD plus CD. That is what we have written here. BC, so BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ BD plus CD add ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Got it? So BC minus CD ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this is BC minus CD ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what will get? We'll get the answer of BD. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? BD ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. This is run. We require BD. So BC minus CD ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll get this BD. So we have written here. So AB is equals to BC, right, as it is BC minus CD divided by AD. Okay. So this is the formula we have. So let us write it as AB is nothing but acceleration, that we know. So we'll write it as AB is the acceleration. A anta baritivi because it is slope. So BC andre enu? This is BC. BC is nothing but velocity, final velocity, that is V. So write it as V. And CD andre enu? CD is initial velocity, so write it as U. And divided by AD. So AD, what is AD? AD is time taken, so write it as T. Clear, children? So taking on multiplication on rearranging of equation 1, okay, equation of motion 1. So on rearranging by multiplication and rearranging anta you can write it for your convenient of easy method. Okay, so we are gonna find out that the velocity, we need to find out velocity. Here in this equation you can see namak velocity we are gonna find out, isn't it? Because equation of velocity we are dealing with, so we require velocity, that is V. So on rearrangement what we get? AT is equals to V minus U anta barkobodu. Okay, so where AT plus U is equals to V. Okay, namge velocity bekagide, so write AT plus take this minus U becomes plus U when it comes to over this side. So AT plus U is equals to V, isn't it? Just rearrange madi, V is equals to U plus AT. Clear? You got the answer? So this is with the equation of velocity, that is with the time relation, and it is very important, children. It is very important, very important. Wi-Fi, you can write it as Wi-Fi. That is very important for examination and will be asked for 3 marks or 4 marks. Very important. And I want you children to write this in your homework books. Okay, thank you.